Hello. So the first question is here. So first question is here. Which of the following theories explain the structure of protoplasm? So the correct answer is here will be option B. So the correct answer is option B. Next question. The term protoplasm was coined by. So the correct answer is here. The term protoplasm was coined by option A. Dujardin, option B. Robert Brown, option C. Robert Hooke, or option D. Parkinji. So the correct answer will be Parkinji will be the Parkinji will be the correct answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. So next question is here. Protoplasm is basis of life was said by Huxley, option A Huxley, option B Parkinji, option C Hooke এবং option D Robert Brown. So the correct answer for this question will be option A will be the correct answer for this question. Let's move to the next question. Huxley will be the correct answer for this question. Let's move to the next. The three most abundant elements in the protoplasm. So the four options are given: carbon, sodium, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, oxygen, carbon, phosphorus, hydrogen. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen will be the most correct answer for this question. Let's move to the next question. So the following is the most atom. The following is the major atom in all biological compounds. So the correct answer for this question is option A nitrogen, option D option C hydrogen, option B oxygen, option D carbon. So the correct answer for this question is option D will be the correct answer. Option D will be the correct answer. Carbon will be the correct answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. Substance forming 80% of cytoplasm in plant cells is protein, option B fat, option C water, option D mineral. So the correct answer for this question will be option C water. Water will be the correct answer for this question. Let's move to the next question. Four elements making 99% of living systems are. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Option B will be the correct answer. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. So 4 elements making 99% of the living system are carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and hydrogen. So the next question, the term cytoplasm and nucleoplasm were given by. So the correct answer will be option D. Strasburger will be the correct answer for this question. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is not macromolecules? So amino acid will be the correct answer. So all are these protein, nucleic acid and starch, or all are macromolecules, but amino acids which made the protein is not macromolecules. So the amino acids is not macromolecules, is a macro. So the next question is the principal source of energy for body is. So the correct answer for this question will be definitely option B, carbohydrates, which is an organic compounds found in the most cells. So the organic compounds which is found is most cell is the option B, glucose will be the organic compounds. So let's move to the next question.